It's your boys Cash and
Jerry.
Today we're going to be showing you, oh no, not we. We're going to have a special guest, Zorro the Skater. He's going to show you guys how to change wheels on your skateboard. As you can see, this is the original wheel. Changed out the wheels. So remember to leave a like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell.
You started? Okay. So what you're going to do today is change cruising wheels for, you're going to change the cruising wheels, well, you're going to replace your skateboard wheels with the cruising wheels. And just remove the nut. It came out with a washer. Sure that the other washer is there, and then you just pry your bearings out like so. And then if you want to film from this side, you can see what happens on the inside. And those are your bearings are out. And there's still a washer there. Now you just put your new bearings in your new wheels. You gotta press them in pretty firmly. And on both sides, this side is tighter, so you just insert it and you push it like that. So it's flush. Now it's flush. Just put it in. Replace your washer and your nut. And then the assistant gives me my tools.
What's it called?
This is a Zito, and it is a kind of like a wrench tool for your skateboard. There you go. That's it.
Well, that's it for this video. Just remember to leave a like and subscribe.